August 10th, 2024, while sitting at a church on State Highway 284, Trooper observed a white Kia Optima with Arkansas plates. Noticing improper window tint on the front and back driver's side windows, Trooper initiated a traffic stop. The vehicle pulled into a private driveway and came to a stop, but as he exited my patrol vehicle, it suddenly accelerated and fled. With his emergency lights activated, Trooper informed Troop D Communications that he was in pursuit of the vehicle.
Turn around on Indian Hills Road. Yeah, 10-9. I'm seeing the dead ends down there. 10-4, they're getting turned around. Making circles on the apartments. Go anywhere, just circles around. 10-4, we're coming to a stop. We're driving in the backyard of the apartments. Run on foot.
Suspect was stopped, and he decided to exit the vehicle and flee on foot, but he was caught and arrested shortly after. On Monday, August 5th, 2024, troopers were patrolling when they observed a silver Toyota Camry traveling below the posted speed limit. After following the vehicle for a short distance, it took the first available exit and attempted a left turn into an area with no open businesses or residences. As the vehicle moved from the right lane to the left without signaling, the trooper activated their emergency lights to initiate a traffic stop. However, the vehicle suddenly accelerated into a parking lot.
On the other side of the interstate.
The driver of the vehicle fled the scene on foot and was able to be located after assistance from the Little Rock Police Department K-9 unit. A search of the vehicle led to the discovery of approximately 5 ounces of marijuana in the back seat next to the seat of Mr. Haas. On July 7th, 2022, a Rio Rancho Police Department officer on duty witnessed a Volkswagen GTI speeding. As confirmed by the officer's radar, the suspect's vehicle stopped at a traffic signal, but before the officer could close the distance to safely perform a traffic stop, the driver suddenly accelerated and drove away. The officer then began following the suspect's vehicles.
Can I just get a roll?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Well, man, sorry to bother you guys tonight.
It's okay. Do you want to come in?
No, it's okay. Is Calvin your son?
God, is he okay?
He's okay. He's okay. Is there any reason why he would take off from us?
No.
In the car?
In my car?
Little
My
VW?
GTI? No. There's no reason.
Some girl was in the car with him too. Was a girlfriend?
Just a friend.
Just a friend.
Emily. Her name is Emily.
Is he living here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where was
So
he?
I went to go stop him right by 528 and Southern for going 73 down Southern. And he took off. I didn't chase him. And then he ran up and going into this officer.
I'm sorry, he did what?
He stopped at Northern and this officer was behind him.
Okay.
And so then I pulled up next to him and shined the spotlight in the vehicle to see who was driving and told him to pull over. And then he took off again, going crazy, shut his lights off over 100 miles an hour north on 528. We didn't stop him, or we didn't even chase him or anything. And then he went into the neighborhood on the east side of 528 there.
Okay.
So then we just came to the house to see what the issue
He's
was.
not here. I would
No, I know. I knew we'd beat him here, but
Okay, because I've been texting him and he's conveniently not answering
I'm
me.
just trying to figure out why he's doing this.
I don't know. I mean, I can call him again, but he might not answer me. What would you like me to do?
Yeah, I guess just try to call him, and if you do contact him, just tell him to come home and that we need to talk to him.
Okay. All right. I'll call him, but I don't know if he'll answer me.
I understand.
We were just texting him, and I'm like, because I know he doesn't have the key to the house, and he doesn't have my garage door opener, and I want to go to bed. And I thought that was him banging on the door, so. Yeah, I'm sorry. Very sorry. I don't know why he supposedly went out to get something to eat with her. That was it. And then he was coming back here. That's what he told me. You there? What's going on? What do you mean? Well, I'm talking to 2 officers from the Rio Rancho Police Department.
The woman promptly called her son, who answered before hanging up. After calling again, she convinced her son to return home, who said he was in a location 20 minutes from the residence. Officers agreed to wait 20 minutes for the suspect's arrival.
What's his name again?
No.
What's his name again? What's his name again? What's up, fellas? Come back here. Put your hands to your back. I don't know why we would do that. You're being placed under arrest right now for reckless driving and eluding.
Yeah. We'll grab it here in a second. Oh, sorry.
Did you post it on? No.
121, so you have that male 15.
Do you realize how it's probably just going to give you a warning?
No, I didn't realize that.
So what's the reason to run now? I don't get it.
I don't know. I didn't know I was being pulled over. I didn't see you behind me.
I've been doing this job longer than you've been alive.
Okay.
There's always a reason to run. I just don't know the reason right now. Because you're not drinking, right?
No.
You don't have warrants.
No.
Are you showing up for another girl?
No.
Then why do it?
I just didn't know why I was being pulled over.
Suspect was constantly telling that he didn't know he was getting pulled over. What's your thoughts on that?
Because with the people that you put at risk, and you start going 100 miles an hour down 528 without your headlights on, not smart. Not smart. Actually, right where you turned right there, we actually had 2 dead people in a car. So. Let me use seatbelt over.
The suspect was taken to jail and charged with reckless driving, misdemeanor, fleeing and eluding, and speeding. On Saturday, August 10th, 2024, Trooper Middlecoff responded to an attempt to locate a stolen Dodge Charger. The trooper positioned themselves stationary at the intersection. After about 10 minutes, the trooper spotted a black Dodge Charger matching the description of the suspect vehicle. As the vehicle passed, the trooper pulled out behind it and confirmed that the license plate matched the stolen vehicle. The trooper notified other troopers to assist and decided to follow the suspect vehicle to allow time for the responding units to get closer.
Jones Road 13, 106030, proceed 30, 106030.
John 1437.
1037.
Stop sign. Clear right, clear left. Still eastbound on 58 Victoria.
120, south of the radio. Thank you. Take one take 120 into 120. The other one take 158. 35, you got the Charger, take that. I'm going to top end.
C30 Jonesboro, I think he wrecked out.
10 forward 20.
Right here in Luxor, he wrecked out. He got fire.
10 forward.
10 9 30.
He wrecked out here in Luxor.
As the Charger crossed US 61, the driver lost control, veering off the road, hitting a gas electrical box and utility pole, and causing the pole and wires to fall. The vehicle briefly re-entered the road, crossed railroad tracks, then overturned multiple times. As the trooper arrived, they saw smoke rising and found the car on fire, with the suspect lying near a residence.
Hi.
The Prescott Police Department and Nevada County Sheriff's Department are in pursuit of a white Ford Ranger whose driver was just involved in a robbery.
Charger. 3 cars in front.
Just brake check, still 67, speed about 7, no traffic. We're still in 67. We're heading back east. Failed TBI.
7 miles out here. Yeah, we're going to do that far off. You know, just north of one of those, correct?
Still on 67 towards Thornton behind the white vehicle.
7 just be advised, he is supposed to be armed with a knife.
I got still in pursuit of 67 towards Guard. Speeds of 110, no traffic.
County, Clark County and C-17 are continuing north. I'm not sure what TVL we have. Yeah, well, just there, somebody was requesting the EMS just north of one of those. Well, 5070 up there for him.
He's ran off over here in the ditch. 67 coming up on Cayley Road.
Yeah, we're doing
Speed about 30. No traffic. Turning into a private drive.
everything, 12 guys. 21 of them.
We're off in the wooded area back here. He's continuing off in the wooded area in that truck.
County, I've lost G17 and County, just north of the garden school.
After the suspect entered the woods, troopers exited their vehicles and caught up to him on foot, arresting him shortly after.
Yeah, I'm gonna sit him right here in front of the car real quick and check him.
Stop, man.
Man, shut up, shut up! Wanna hear that? That's it? Yeah, we'll sit him in passenger side.